Environment Day 2020 is the right time for us to go back to our nature, our Mother Earth, and ask pardon for all the atrocities that we have done against her.
The theme this year for the World Environment Day is biodiversity.
Biodiversity is a variety of life forms in a given habitat.
Biodiversity is like a network of interactions, directly and indirectly dependent on one another.
Around 8.7 billion species of biodiversity around the world.
And billions of species have lived on Earth around 3.5 billion years ago.
Over the course of time, 99% of them have gone extinct.
Human activities are highly decreasing the biodiversity.
Over 1 billion mammals have been affected by Amazon and Australian forest fires last year.
Fires also destroy millions of trees, which provided food and shelter to the biodiversity there.
Plastic is killing more than 1.1 million animals per year.
A number of species go extinct every few thousand years. But in the last few decades, a large number of species have gone extinct.
The current extinction will be much faster.
Biodiversity knows no political bounds because it does not recognize any political distinctions. Species that have lived on this planet for longer than us will now become extinct because of us.
The world will be less destroyed by those who do evil,
but more by those who watch evil without even taking any action against it.
Every disastrous movie starts with the government ignoring a sign.
If you really think that economy is much important than environment,
then try to hold your breath while counting your money.
No amount of money, gold or oil is worth more than these trees and clean water.
There is an intrinsic value of a species. Polar bears are quite important for us. Orangutans are quite important for us.
We have named ourselves Homo sapiens, that is wise men. But are we really wise?
While we panic about COVID-19, our Mother Earth is healing. The river Ganga is back in its purest form. After 30 years, the Himalayas are now visible from the plains of India because of the decrease in air pollution.
The ozone layer over the Arctic healed around 1 million square kilometers.
Basically, this lockdown is healing the world.
But do we really need disease like coronavirus to teach us humans a lesson?
Habitat fragmentation, pollution, urbanization and climate change have negative impacts on the global biodiversity.
Raise your voice, not sea levels.
The climate is changing and so should we.
These are unsustainable development. And if we go on exploiting the natural resources at this rate today, we will all become victims of this development. My dear friend, this is not the time to forget the Mother Earth, the nature, the plants and animals. They have to be placed before development. So let's go for a sustainable development and let's pass on our environment to our next generation.
Let's just not protect the environment.
Let's create a world where the environment doesn't need any protection.